We will be discussing about trigger links on the platform. Down below in the navigation bar you can find for app marketplace here, and you can search for trigger links. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account, and you can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment, and then the next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed trigger links. Let's just choose this one. Here we are on the sub account on which we have installed trigger links, and the next step will be moving forward towards the automations. In the navigation bar you can find it here, and create a workflow to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. Here we are in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. Find for trigger links. Here it is. These are the actions provided by trigger links at the moment. You can create your link, update your link, and delete your link. Let's just create a link. You can name the link and also put in the redirect link you want to redirect your client towards. You can already copy paste that link, and let's just name that link test link, and paste that link here you want to redirect your client to. Save this action, and also you can just create some notes with that. Find for custom values. Down below you can find for trigger links, and you can just enter the name and some text with that. Save this action as well. Now we will be testing our workflows after saving it. To set an example, right now I have chosen this contact, run this test, and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, both of the actions, the create link and the notes, are executed successfully. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.